Hello everyone, this is Mia from Retekess Official. Today I will show you how to use the TR619 amplifier. And this is the FM mode. I will show you how to use this one. You can use the next to change the station. But if you want to search the station, you can press this one for a few seconds to search it automatically. Okay, it starts. When it search a station, it will stop and store. And you can press the play and pause to stop and start again. It's very easy to use the FM function, but make sure you can plug the antenna outside so the signal will be better. Next video I will show you how to use the function of the recording. So see you next video.